There's a poem I heard the other day. Roses are red, bacon is red, poems are hard, bacon. You know, the food that is most missed by vegetarians, according to Sanitarium in Australia Food Company, is bacon, which is why they were probably one of the first people to make a fake bacon. We've got an alternative that not only is super tasty, it's super healthy, unlike pretty much most of the Facon alternatives I've seen. And it's so easy. You take some coconut flakes and a little bit of tamari, 2 teaspoons we have here, and then onto it you're going to add some smoked salt. We love smoked salt because a lot of recipes use liquid smoke, which is highly carcinogenic. It's got caramelized nastiness in it that is a known carcinogen that actually creates AGEs, advanced glycated end products. So you take your coconut, tamari, smoked salt, and just make sure the coconut is evenly coated. I like to actually get there with my hands. Andy used a spoon, but I like to spread it all around. And then I take a baking tray, or you can use a silicone mat, and I just coat it with some coconut oil, cold pressed coconut oil, pop it on there, and then evenly place the coconut chips around the tray. So you want to make sure there's no kind of piles, because that even surface area is going to cook it much more evenly than if you had lumps of it. So take a bit of time and do that. The total baking time is 7 to 10 minutes, depending on your oven and the baking tray you use. But what we like to do is to just pop it in for about 3 to 5 minutes, watch it. Do not walk away. I can't tell you how many trays of this I burned by walking away. Then pop it back in for another 3 to 5 minutes, depending on your oven. And there you have it. It's one of the most simple chips that you can get. It has that beautiful fat, salty, bacony flavor. You can put it on salads. You can just have it like a little snack when you have a little salty, fatty craving, and totally enjoy it because it's awesome. So for more delicious recipes like this that won't spike your blood sugar, are super easy to prepare and absolutely delicious, click the link below to find out more about our 21-day sugar-free challenge.